Guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, I'm so excited because for today's episode, I'm going to share to you teasers and up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. So guys, if I have the prices, links, and product codes, of course, I would be linking it on the description box below. And I am inviting everyone to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about leads about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Hi guys, I'm very happy to share these upcoming Louis Vuitton bags. All prices are before tax. Kindly take a screenshot and show them with your CAs. Thank you to Foxy LV, LV Marco, Matt D for sharing these updates to us. Happy shopping guys! So let us start first with the Monogram Aqua Garden collection. First, we have the Keepall 50, priced at €2,650. Launch date is May 25th, 2023. So I have discussed this previously, but now we have better pictures and more prices for you. Next, we have Horizon 55, priced at $2,950. Same launch date, May 25th, 2023. How beautiful is this monogram? And guys, please do comment down below, how do you feel about this new print for the Louis Vuitton monogram? And then we have Discovery Backpack PM. Price is €2,450. Launch date May 25th. I love the playfulness of the Louis Vuitton logo and the Louis Vuitton flowers. What do you think of this new collection? Then we have this very beautiful Keepall 25, price only at €2,000. OMG, you know guys how much I am in love with Keepall 25. So here is a better photo. The LV flowers in monogram looks like water bubbles. And then we have pocket organizer for €400. Same launch date of May 25th, 2023. So if you don't want to purchase large item, then maybe you could just purchase an SLG like this very beautiful pocket organizer. Can you also tell that the water bubbles looks like a little bit raised? So we have a Braza. Price is €700. Launch date still the same of May 25th, 2023. Then we have the DOP kit. Price is €950. Launch date May 25th. So this is a good vanity or toiletry pouch. What do you think of this one? Then we have the steamer wearable wallet, priced at $2,510. So very cute size bag, a little bit small, but I feel you could carry this. Just minimize the things that you're going to carry on an everyday basis. Then we have Pochette Voyage, still under the Monogram Aqua Garden collection. So this one is very, very cute. So again, this is like the Louis Vuitton toiletry pouch is exactly the same. So they just added a little bit more leather details and leather lining as well. Guys, do you remember this runway collection from the men's fall winter 2023? So the very first one that we have here is a pocket organizer. Price only at €395. So with this one, I actually prefer the more colorful one versus the monochromatic version. How about you guys? Then OMG, this would be such a huge hit. So we have the Keepall 25, the puffy Keepall 25, price only at €2,850. OMG. So what do you think of this one? Do you think this is such a good buy for men's fall winter 2023? And then we have the Alma GM. Guys, I'm totally surprised and taken aback with the price of this one because it's 10,000 euro. So I'm not really sure why it is so expensive. I'm not really sure if this comes with crystals or if this is a famous painting. Please comment down below, guys. Then we have the Monogram Wash Denim Collection. First, we have the Monterey Backpack, price only at 2,950 euro. Launch date is May 25th, 2023. So guys, are you seeing a pattern with Louis Vuitton? They are launching so many denim collection. With the women's, they are launching the Monogram collection. Next, still on same collection, we have the Keepaw 50, price at 2,900 euro. Then we had the very beautiful Keepaw 25, price at 2,250 euro. Launch date May 25th. So as you're going to see, the strap that it comes with is on a lighter color, thick guitar strap, and I love the bag tag as well. And then we have the Weekend Tote, price at 3,000 euro. Again, very cute everyday bag. I love the size. I love the bag tag. Maybe the canvas strap, the color, I'm not really a fan of. I would wish they would be using the same denim color, but very cute, sizable weekend tote bag. Then we have Pochette to Go, price at 1,120 euro. So this one comes with a wristlet, and I believe you could actually convert this one by changing the wristlet to a longer strap so you could carry it maybe as a necklace or as a crossbody bag. Then we have the Ivy Wallet on Chain, launch date May 19, 2023, made of the Bicolor upfront leather, price is 2,030 US dollars. So what do you think of this mini bag? Honestly guys, I am not a fan, although I love the bicolor and I love the two straps that it comes with. Then we have a steamer wearable wallet, price only at 2,030 euro. So this is from the new collection for men's, the Monogram Trillion collection. Launch date is June 29, 2023. So this is just a teaser and we're going to show you more on the upcoming days. So guys, here are the teasers. So again, these are just teasers. So apologies for the blurry photo. Once we have more photos, then definitely I would be sharing it to our fam here. So first we have the Mahina New Perm Baya collection. So we have here like newer bags. They look like the loop bags but now in a different collection. This one super cute, many bags coming our way. So we have the Epi color animation, we also have the Epi new model handle trunk. So I love the Almas. I love this new bag, the handle trunk. I've seen a celebrity carry this one on the runway and I fell in love. So these are the new colors of the Epi Nano Alma. So we have the quartz, we have orange, Minnesota, and guys, please take note that these are nano bags. I think the difference from the older Nano Alma that came with this, you are going to notice the strap is fully detachable. So here are some SLGs. So we have the Monogram upfront strap, we have the Mahina Lilas, we have the Kuzan and Monogram Degradé. Ooh, so beautiful. We also have the New Wave Wallet on Chain. And then with this one, what I wanted to discuss is the Micro Chantilly in the Monogram canvas in the Vachetta. I feel this one would be a huge hit with all the Monogram lovers out there like me. What do you think of this one? I also feel that hopefully, crossing my fingers, they would price this not really too high. Then we have the New Wave collection. So we have the chain bag in the wine color, we have the chain bag in khaki, then we have the Lock Me in Ever khaki, multi pochette in khaki as well. Then we have two more collections. We have the Amprant Wine and we have the TIGERgram collection. So guys, are you a fan of this TIGERgram logo? For me, I'm not really sure if I'm liking it, even though it has the Alma. It's not calling out my name. I think it's a little bit too wild for my taste. So we also have the Amprant Wine Leather collection and Amprant Khaki Fango Creme collection. So we have the Felicion chain, we have the Easy Pouch and Strap, we have some small leather goods. What do you think of this new collection? There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So hope you did. So guys, before we end our episode, I'm inviting everyone to please join our ever-growing fam by clicking this cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Ramira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!